Hello everyone, today I will be examining the computer-aided design software SolidWorks in the form of a technical description. Not only will I provide a brief description of what this program is, but I will also be explaining its features in detail and what exactly it can be used for. This slidecast will be organized on the basis of providing the individual parts of SolidWorks and showing how they can be combined as a whole. Now, as an engineering or general design firm, you might be asking yourself, why SolidWorks? Well, there are four main reasons why this software is superior to others. First, it is very simple and takes minimal time to become proficient at. This can be helpful for time saving as many design projects must be completed quickly. Although it does have simplicity, it is extremely powerful and can handle just about anything. Second is its functionality. SOLIDWORKS has great technical support and works well under any condition. It is very practical and suits many purposes. Third, it has hundreds of features which complement all types of work, from simple part additions to complex simulations. Finally, it includes the entire product design process from start to finish. SOLIDWORKS includes four main features which can be combined into a larger engineering process. The start of any CAD project is creating the needed parts, which can be created in infinitely many ways. Next is combining parts into a larger assembly, which can be moved and simulated to test the system dynamics. After that, SOLIDWORKS offers an easy way of creating a ready-to-make drawing from your parts and assemblies, which can then be manufactured. This is the start of what any part creation process will look like. It would be impossible to show all the features, but the image shown gives a brief overview of the available tools at your disposal. Unlike other CAD softwares, SOLIDWORKS operates on the basis of geometrical definition. This means the program works in a way such that errors can be easily fixed in the future. Even when a part is completed, sub-features can still be used, such as finding the mass of your design or even assigning it a material from the thousands of choices. The next available feature in SOLIDWORKS design process is assemblies. The parts you create can easily be put together in the form of a working system. This system can then be tested for possible collisions and even animated to see mechanical movements in the form of a video. One of the more overlooked features of SOLIDWORKS is its ability to model dynamic behavior, whether it be the study of heat transfer, flow simulation, or fluid dynamics. It can accomplish just about anything. After your design has been modeled and proven to work physically, it can be easily made into a professional drawing. SOLIDWORKS offers autonomous drawing creation directly from your part or assembly, which will be ready for production. Manufacturing is the final piece to the puzzle of the design process and the main purpose of SOLIDWORKS. Your created parts and assemblies can now be given physical form via modern machines such as CNC mills and 3D printers. SOLIDWORKS is an all-inclusive CAD software with hundreds of easy features and is a necessary tool for any engineering firm. Thank you for listening.